Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share my subscription boxes. I get lots of bags and boxes, and that happens to be what I'm doing today. This is a little late because this was September's Eyescream Beauty bag. I shared the box probably a couple weeks ago, and the bag took a while to get here, so I'm just getting to sharing it now. So let's just get to it. All right, friends. Okay, so I'm just going to pull everything out real quick here. We'll see what we got. Okay, looks like we have 4 things. Now this bag is $12.50. They do add tax and shipping to that, so it's a little bit more depending on where you live. But it usually has anywhere from 3 to 7 products in it. Always has an eyeshadow palette of some kind. So that's one thing that's nice about it. And for the price, you usually get your value for your money. So I've got 4 things right here that I'm going to share. So the first thing that I'm getting to, and this is September, it said, well, it doesn't say. I'm going to go to the eyeshadow palette first. A lot of times I wait till last, but this is from Zija. That's weird. Okay, it has a little puppy on the front here. This is the card. And it's called the Cure Puppy Eyeshadow Quad for $20. So it's a quad. Let's see what's, well, isn't that more than a quad? Here's what it looks like. And I think it's all like shimmer, which I like. I've been wanting to get a palette that was only shimmers. This is awesome. So those are some of the lighter colors. Let me see if I can get some of the darker colors here. Pretty. I'll try that blue one. So there's some of the darker colors. It's hard to see exactly. They're not real standout-ish, but I don't know. It'd be fun to play with. I own it now. Either that or I give some things that I've just tested to, you know, people I know. But okay, so let's go to the next thing. The next thing is Lash Step Shimmer About You palette. Another palette for 20. Okay, this is the Zija Quad. Okay, this is the Lash Step. This one right here is the Lash Step Shimmer About You palette. This is valued at $22, so that makes more sense. This is the Quad from Zija, and I'm curious to see what these colors are. Okay, so here's the Quad from Zija, valued at $20, and I know it's going to be really fun. This is the puppy, the Cure Puppy, so it's probably going to have there's the box, so it has a little cute little puppy on it, and I'm sure the puppy's going to be on the front of their packaging is really always really cute. But oh, okay, I like it. It's got the pink and purple, so I wonder what's inside. Am I going to love this? Ooh, how fun is that? Okay, look at this. Okay, so this one looks like it has blue and white or something, gray and white. Is this right here? It's a stripe. This one right here, I don't know if you can see, but there's little doggy bones. See that little doggy bones into the thing. So this is a fun quad. I think you could do a look, just an eye look with this. So, and it's just compact. I like the case. It's kind of, it's not super cheap. It's, you know, it's a nice case. So anyway, there's that. And the next thing I'm going to get to, I don't know what this is. Is this just a brush? It says Cheeky. It's from Cheeky Rose Beauty. It's a paintbrush. Cheeky Rose Beauty. They call it a paintbrush. But here it is. That's what it looks like. And let's see if I can get it open. Okay. So there's what the brush looks like. And it's a really good brush. It's very firm. So I actually think it says Cheeky Rose Beauty, but I think this would be I think you could really use this as a packing brush in your crease. It's kind of big, it's round. I don't know. It's a nice brush, so I kind of like that. So far the $12.50 bag is doing it for me. The last thing I have in here is from Illuminati. It is a lip gloss. I tend to give these away even though I really like them, but I might keep this one. I like this like light peach color. So this is valued at $20, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it right now, and I might even put a little bit on. I just put on my lips for my last video. I just filmed the e.l.f. edit from Ipsy, and in it came a lip balm gloss. It's kind of, the color was Ecstatic, but it's kind of a purpley, you know, purpley reddish color. Anyway, I don't know if this will go over it, but okay. This is very sherry pink. A sherry pink color, if that makes sense. Right there. Okay, so that's it. That's my Ice Cream Beauty box. The eyeshadow palette, the eyeshadow quad, the really cool brush, and the awesome lip gloss. So those are my 4 products. I would give this a good month for $12.50. It's products that I will use, and they're, you know, they stay in. They usually give you things that are in style. They're not always the top brands. A lot of times these are indie brands that they do in the Ice Cream Beauty bag. So you get familiar with new brands all the time. So although they do carry a lot of Zizia, they carry a lot of, this is Zizia, Illuminati. They carry a lot of these brands here. This one, so this was Lash Step right here. That was the brand of the Shimmer About You. There's what it is. So once again, that's what the palette looks like. So that's it. Let me know what you think. Do you get the Ice Cream Beauty bag? Do you want to try it? Anyway, let me know in the comments. I appreciate your support. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to support my channel. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.